Warsaw today. And with that said, guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. And here I am with a brand new video on a very important and a very interesting topic. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and let's see what are the topics, and rather what is the topic for this video and what are the things that I'm going to cover up in this video. So make sure to hang on to this video till the end so that you get all the information in detail. So first thing is the portal and various other ways where you can find the apartment. Second thing is the price. Third thing is various specifications that I would like to tell you guys, which might be important for you while you look for an apartment. And the fourth thing is types of apartment that you can find. And after this video ends, guys, if you still have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will answer them like always. So first, talking about the portals, we have various portals like OLX, we have Autodom, we have Gumtree. Then we also have the Facebook marketplace where you can find apartments, and also there are various Facebook groups which I will put in the description box. You can check them out, wherein people actually post about apartments, and that's strictly about finding apartments in Warsaw and in Poland. So you can refer to them, you can join them, and you can find apartments in that way as well. And all the links to these portals, I'm going to put them in the description box in case you guys are looking for an apartment, or if you are interested, you can go there and check it out. And now talking about the price range, which is the most important factor while you look for an apartment. So if you are finding an apartment in the center of the city, the apartment is approximately going to cost you around 2,500 onwards. You are not going to find an apartment below that unless it's a shared apartment. Otherwise, if you are moving a little further than the city, then you can find apartments around 1,500 and 2,000, around this price range. Also, this price range that I'm talking about is Warsaw. If you are looking for an apartment in some other city, the price can totally differ. So it would be great if you could just surf around these portals and you can check it by yourself. So like in India, we have 1 BHKs, 2 BHK, 3 BHKs, but here we have only 2 rooms, 3 rooms or 4 rooms and so on. Also, you have an option for studio apartment, and the best option for bachelors is you can also share an apartment with other roommates, which actually helps you to save a lot of your money. And guys, you know what? The best part about renting an apartment here is you either have a fully furnished apartment or a semi-furnished apartment. So which means that you have all the equipment in the house already, like the cutleries, dishwasher, washing machine, iron boards, and many other stuff which are actually useful for you in your daily basis. So yes, I find that's the best part about renting an apartment here, because you don't have to carry anything on your own. And now talking about the various specifications that I would like to share with you guys, and I think they are important ones that you need to know. So if you're looking for an apartment and if you've liked one, make sure to contact the owner instantly, or whoever the contact person is, because here the apartments get rented out very quickly and you don't have time to wait, because it shouldn't happen that the amount that you have seen on the portal is totally different and you've liked the apartment and you are going to pay a visit there, and that's how you will end up wasting your time and energy, and you will be disappointed if you don't get that flat within your budget, guys. So make sure to check this well in advance. Also guys, if you are moving here for the first time and you do not have somebody known to you here, what you can do is you can first hire an Airbnb apartment and you can live there, and simultaneously you can look for these apartments so you can actually pay your visit there. Also guys, I have made a video on my home tour, so in case if you want to check out how the houses are here or how the apartments are. Alright, guys, so these were the important things that I wanted to share with you before you could rent an apartment or you can find for an apartment. And I hope this video was informative for you. And if it was, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, because I come up with very interesting videos and interesting topics. So stay tuned for it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon there so that you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, you guys take care, bye bye, stay safe and take care. Like to tell you that we have upgrade, but before that, guys, I would like to tell you, but before that, guys, I would and in case if you wish to rent an apartment and talking about the specification here, and apart from that you can also and apart from that you also have an option to share an apartment with a roommate.